Good morning to all. Welcome in your English online class. Students, today we are going to learn about the use of conjunctions or because and so. We will come to know where do we make use of these conjunctions appropriately. So let us start with the very first conjunction, that is or. The meaning of this word in Hindi is ya. It means whenever we are having choices, then we will go with the conjunction or. Or conjunction is used for the choices. Let us elaborate it with the help of the example. At very first place we are having, you can have a trouser or a jeans. It means we are having choice between a trouser or a jeans. We can't have both the things. We have to make choice between the trouser or jeans. आप एक चीज़ ही ले सकते हैं. You are having choice here. In the next sentence, do you want fried rice or pasta? It means you are putting a question, and by putting a question you are offering a choice between fried rice और pasta. आप फ्राइड राइस लेना पसंद करेंगे या पास्ता. यू आर नॉट ऑफरिंग बोथ द थिंग्स. इन द थर्ड सेंटेंस, स्टॉप हियर और मूव साइलेंटली. रुक जाओ या चुपचाप से पास करो, वहाँ से मूव करो वहाँ से. सो वी सी दैट वी आर हैविंग टू चॉइसेस टू स्टॉप देयर और मूव साइलेंटली. So students, we see that in order to go for choices, we will use the conjunction or. The next one is because. Because means, the meaning of the word because is क्योंकि. Whenever you give the reason, whenever we give the reason of one thing, why we have done this or so on, then we go with the conjunction because. Let us go through examples. At very first place we are having, we got late. हमें देर हो रही थी. It was raining heavily. बहुत तेज़ बारिश हो रही थी. So, in order to combine the sentences, we make use of the conjunction because. We got late because it was raining. Now we see that this capital I will become small one because we have constructed the sentences as a whole. Now here we are finding the reason to get late. हमें देर क्यों हो रही थी? Because of the heavy rain. In sentence number 2, we must help him. He is in trouble. हमें उसकी सहायता अवश्य करनी चाहिए, वह मुसीबत में है. What's the need to help him? Because he is in trouble. So here we are also getting reasoning why to help him. We must help him because he is in trouble. In next sentence we see, I laid down. मैं लेट गया था. I was tired. क्योंकि मैं थका हुआ था. What's the reason of my lying down? Because of tiredness. Tiredness was the reason. So we are having reason here again. Then we will construct it, the two sentences as a single whole like this. I laid down because I was tired. मैं लेट गया था क्योंकि मैं थका हुआ था. Now it's turn to learn the use of conjunction so. Students, we make use of the conjunction so when we are having purpose or result. Why we have done some work, what was the purpose, when we get the purpose, and what will be the result. When we get the result, we make use of the conjunction so. Let us see in the following examples. At very first place, I went there so I could meet her. He is saying, मैं वहाँ गया था इसलिए मैं उससे मिल सका. What was the purpose? I went there. What was the purpose to go there? To meet her. So we will go with the conjunction so. मैं वहाँ गया था इसलिए मैं उससे मिल सका. The conjunction so has its meaning in Hindi इसलिए. At the second place, we were talking, so we got punishment. What was the result of the talking? Talking जब हम कर रहे थे उसका क्या result निकला? That we got punishment. Then we will combine the sentences with the conjunction so. We were talking, so we got punishment. At number 3 we see, my friends went on time, so they could catch the train. कहता है कि मेरे जो फ्रेंड्स थे वो समय पर गए थे, इसलिए वो ट्रेन को पकड़ सके, so that they could catch the train. So students, we see that whenever we are having purpose and result, we make use of the conjunction so. I hope students that this concept of conjunction, use of conjunction of or, because and so is in under your control. Try to frame your own sentences. Keep on learning, keep on seeing. Thank you students. Good.